Hello, I am Anuraj. Welcome to Talent Media's new episode. Okay, today I am discussing about the topic how we can take MBBS admission in NRI quota and management quota in other states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and North Indian side. Okay, the thing is, in all over India, all seats are counseling only through government agencies. Okay, but the possibility is after the final round counseling, they are converting the vacant NRI seat to management quota seat. Then the student can appear in the stray vacancy counseling, then they can take the seat. Okay, so I am in this video I am discussing about the procedures for stray vacancy list and what's the budget we have to spend for this stray vacancy list. Okay, the main thing is, okay, if you are taking the case of Tamil Nadu, in Tamil Nadu the MBBS fees for NRI fees for MBBS is yearly 23.5 lakh. Okay, and in Karnataka it's varies from colleges to colleges. Okay, and nearly it starts from 25 lakhs to nearly 40 lakhs, depends on the colleges. Some colleges having very high fees, it's nearly 40 lakh fees. Okay, and in other states also, if you are taking in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, in all states, okay, the fees is more than 20-25 lakh is the fees for MBBS, for NRI MBBS in per year. Okay, but okay, in this I think this is a very huge fees, and the seats is never going to fill in these states. Okay, and these seats are getting vacant, and it is converted to these stray vacancy list. Okay, then the NRI status is cancelled and the student can take even those who don't have the NRI status also, they can take the seats from the colleges through counseling. Okay, if you are comparing the last year scenario in Karnataka, this average fees goes for these stray vacancy list is nearly 90 to 95 lakh. Okay, but some colleges fixed nearly 1.25 crore, and the seats is there is so many seats are vacant. Okay, then the colleges last reduce the fees to nearly 90 to 95 lakh. Okay, so I think in this year also the same scenario is going to happen. Okay, if any students having nearly 1 crore budget, okay, then you will get some average colleges in Karnataka. And suppose you are looking for any good colleges, you must have to spend some more money, nearly 1.2 or 1.3, 1.5 crore, like. Okay, if you are looking for any very good colleges, okay, because those colleges having nearly NRI fees nearly 40 lakh per year. Okay, this is the case in Karnataka. If you are taking the case of Tamil Nadu, the yearly fee for NRI seat is nearly 23.5 lakh. Okay, yearly fees is 23.5 lakh, and but in Tamil Nadu this year the government is telling, okay, if any seat in NRI quota is cancelled, okay, then it is converted to management quota, and the seat that seat will be counseling only through government. Okay, if it is cancelled, okay, if the seat is converted to management quota, then the fees they will going to reduce the fees to 20 lakh. Okay, that means, okay, if in the last year, okay, in Tamil Nadu so many NRI seats is vacant and they had converted to management quota, and in colleges has filled the seat from stray vacancy list. Okay, I think this year also there is a possibility for some vacant seat in Tamil Nadu also. So if any students having nearly total budget of 1 crore, you can wait for the stray vacancy list. Okay, then you will get the seats in Tamil Nadu also. In the case of MCC, that means deemed universities, I think there is a chance for huge number of vacancy in the NRI seats. Okay, so if you are interested to take NRI seats from deemed university, you can go for third round counseling. Okay, definitely you will get the admission in deemed universities. Okay, and in North India also, I think, okay, after the stray vacancy, okay, after the stray vacancy list, okay, you can go for a stray vacancy counseling. If you are having nearly 90 or 95 lakh budget, okay, definitely you will get the seat from counseling. Okay, so if you are having any doubt or any if you need any update about these stray vacancy counseling, or how to get the admission through stray vacancy and how to process the application, okay, if you're having any doubt, you just call me. Okay, I am once again I am thanking you all, okay, because you all are giving very much support to our channel. Thank you very much.